Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I have a vintage tablescape for you and it's already set up. So let's take a closer look. And yes, that's my Nina in the background eating. Let's start over here. So I have the napkins folded into bunny ears, and then I decided to use this bunny to place inside of it. This one here is laying down, so I just kind of propped him up, and then this one here is standing up, so that was really easy. Now right over here I have this dish. I absolutely love this dish, and it's shaped like a flower. I decided to go ahead and place the napkin just like this on top of it. Thought that would be nice. So let's come on over here and break down this tablescape. First, let me show you this coffee pot right here with the matching mugs. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I got that from Michael's, the coffee pot. I'm sorry, I might have got that from Home Goods or Michael's. And then the mugs were from Valentine's Day and they match perfectly. All I did was place that on a stand and it looks beautiful. So then we have this beautiful tablecloth that was thrifted. Now these utensils, aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I just bought them from Home Goods. Okay, so that's what we have here and here. So now, isn't this plate absolutely gorgeous? So this was a thrifted item and it was $4, $3.99. And then this was also a thrifted item. I am loving this cabbage design. So that was also thrifted for $2.99. Then we have the charger, which is from Hobby Lobby. And then these beautiful placemats, guys. These beautiful placemats are from the Dollar Tree. If you see them, grab them. They have two different kinds. They do have them in silver and they do have them in gold. So that's how I decided to layer this. There's the charger from Hobby Lobby. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love that cabbage design and the pink. So I was so happy they had two of those. So this is how I decided to decorate my place setting, okay? And this right here is the napkin with the bunny, and I think those bunny ears shape napkins are so cute. This candle always reminds me of a vintage style table, so that matches perfectly, guys, right there. And if we come on the other side, you'll notice that the flowers are different. So these are like open roses. Okay, everything else is the same, but these plates here, this is open roses, and I believe that flower over there is iris, and this is absolutely beautiful. So that's how I decided to decorate my cute little vintage, very quaint looking tablescape. So we're gonna head on over to the reveal. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing it to you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.